Okay, we've got probably one last tape line here that we're gonna have to do some pre-fill on. It's a little bit nasty. It's the last tape line on the ceiling, but that's a little bit too big of a gap that I feel comfortable throwing in regular mud. So I'm gonna do some pre-fill with some 20 minutes. So let's get that mixed up and hit that. Okay, so we hit this line with some pre-fill, and I think what we're gonna do is, instead of sanding, we're gonna wet sponge this once this dries. So about, I don't know, 10, 15 more minutes. And we'll go ahead and we'll put a little wet sponge on there. There's just some lines, it's just a little bit ugly. But, and that'll pull out the little lip that you see in the gap there. I don't know, let me see if I can scroll in a little bit. Yeah, you see how it bubbles out a little bit? And then what we're gonna try and do is just wet sand that little ridge that it creates. So we should be good to go here to throw on a tape line in about 10, 15 minutes or so. Okay, the pre-fill has been set. Now I just put in some regular drywall mud, set the tape lines, excuse me, going all the way across, and then started another layer of float here. So this is probably gonna take 2 to 3 more coats. And I'm gonna put it on nice and thick and probably whip out the 14-inch trowel next go around to get that leveled out.